Hello and welcome back, guys. So in this particular problem, we need to find the index of the first vowel in a string, right? So it should be like we need to return -1 if there is no vowel. Otherwise, we just return the vowel, right? So we can use enumerate as well. We could use the index approach as well, but let's just use the enumerate approach. So enumerate s, right? So it's just more easier this way. Let's do k comma v, and then of course over here if v dot lower, right? So since we are only comparing for this value a e I o, I mean we can just do in, right? A e I o u. Then what do? We return the index, right, which is key. Otherwise, when we finish the loop, we simply do return -1, right? Okay, what happened to my internet? Should work in my opinion. Okay, great, works just fine, right? So yeah, let me just submit the code. Fine. Let's see other people's solution. Pretty much enumerate is what they are using. Some of them are using range and all. Right. So yeah, that's how we can solve this particular problem. If you have any questions, do comment down below. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye bye.